I-SABC report ukuthi uHugo Broos behola 1,400,000 kubafana bafana noma as i-head coach yabafana bafana, but uPitso Mosimane bam-offer 400,000. Bafethu, make this thing make sense, make it make sense. Unga-offer uPitso Mosimane 400,000 but lo muntu becoach omunye kusho ukuthi uHugo Broos ubhetha nge-1 million kuPitso Mosimane. 1 million 1 kusho ukuthi phela uPitso Mosimane masibala kahle la is getting boma 20-something% of isalary, original salary ka Hugo Broos. Alikho iqiniso bafethu ebholeni lase-South Africa ngoba la sikhuluma ngocoach oprovile naye bafethu ebholeni even on the continent ukuthi no, uhlakaniphile, ucoach oright, ogudi kakhulu. And lo muntu lo iphinde ireport SABC ithi uPitso Mosimane ku-Sundowns behola over 1.5 million. Ku-Sundowns during i-pandemic ngo-2020 uPitso Mosimane contract yakhe yokugcina uSundowns before ahamba bekuyi-1.5 million. Lene North Africa ke bamnika imali better than leyo, ehlakaniphile even more, wathola ipackage ehlakaniphile. So iSAFA ithini mayimnika i-400,000 but iphinde ithi SABC iSAFA they are willing to double i-amount, meaning that uPitso Mosimane njengoba bam-offer 5 million a year and then moyidivide ngo-12 400 and something thousand angithi leyo mali leyo after ama-tax imalini. Kusho ukuthi uPitso Mosimane kuSAFA uyosebenzela 200 and something thousand ebuya ku-1.5 million. Animini bafowethu, noma kuthiwani ngibonile abanye abantu bathi uPitso akafani noHugo Broos inini. Hugo Broos futhi abafani, ubhethe uPitso Mosimane especially ebholeni lase-Africa on the continent bafethu ubhethe. Kwi-national team he might not have leyo experience leyo, might not he failed to deliver vele ekuqaleni, but that's the different Pitso Mosimane compared to lo Pitso Mosimane simbonayo manje. BekuPitso Mosimane osakhula naye in terms of ukuba i-head coach, especially ku-national team. Bowubona ukuthi potential ikhona but udinga ama-resources ukuthi abe right lapha no-coach Pitso, yabo. So bafethu, come on, 400,000 lo munye bekahola 1.4 ngenyanga okudlalwa ngoPitso Mosimane noma kuthiwani. And but for mina yabona indlela lento le engiyibona ngayo bafethu, they don't want uPitso Mosimane cause manje SABC ithi iSAFA ifuna ukuyiphinda times 2 le mali, meaning that uPitso Mosimane they are willing to pay him 800,000. Nike nayizwaphi lento le bafethu, you are offered 100 rand, uyi-reject 100 rand uthi no, ngeke ngisebenzele 100 rand bathi awuzohola 200 ke ngosuku. Imali yakhe ikhuphuke le i-original offer ikhuphuke 100%. Never. It shows ukuthi abamfuni uPitso Mosimane, abamfuni, ayikho into enje. But ke sithemba ukuthi maybe lo 800,000 uzowuthatha uPitso Mosimane imali less than 100, imali less ka 700,000 le bekayithola ku-Sundowns. uSAFA ngiyazi basazobamba ama-meeting angapheli bafethu, nizobona it's far from over lento le kaPitso Mosimane. Bathe kodwa iSAFA ithe izo-announce ucoach during the week. Kusho ukuthi uPitso Mosimane mengayithathi le offer lena bazozi-announcela umkhelele, kwazi bani, because they already have ama-backup wabo abawacabangayo. But umuntu omnyama, abantu abamnyama abanye bayaxhaphaza, bayabona nje ukuthi hayi deserve lo million uzoyenzani, kanti you were earning way better than leyo mali leyo abacabanga ukuthi ayideserve. But ibhola lethu bafethu linjalo ke, lineyinkinga eziningi. Ile one of the nkinga zile uPitso Mosimane abhekane nayo ukuthi abamvalue, abamrate, whether bekazo achieve success or bekazo fail or bekazowenzani, but i-value yakhe umjida uyayideserve imali eserious.